Search pattern initialized, bearing uncertainty acknowledged.
Spotting sequence at 040. Deck is foul.
Coordinates drifting. Hold for signal. Launch 2, release. Vector 075. Acknowledged. Search arc fanning, static.
Estimated position stale, updating.
Vector 085, steady. Checking fuel flow, rate is normal. Signal degraded, repeat last fix.
Congestion at 40 meters, drop out.
0, 0.
Deck cycle committed, no recall.
Rearming sequence, Dauntless 3, clear. Elevator 1 is down, hold for ordnance.
Static, bearing uncertainty, repeat.
Possible contact, confidence insufficient. Grid 4 Alpha, marks are drifting. Static, bearing uncertainty, repeat.
Launch now. Strike en route, radio's quiet.
Zero contact. Static.
Void.
Visual acquired. Commencing attack.
Critical hits confirmed. All signals lost.
Elevator 2 is jammed. Fire in the hangar.
Port side flooding. Degrees at 15.
Telemetry lost. Plotting terminated.
D. Control decentralized. Act on last directive.
Recovery window closing. No contacts inbound.
Magazine integrity compromised.
D. Target no longer valid. Continue search.
Repeat, last no position.
Fuel critical. Searching deck.
One contact lost.
No further orders.
Operation suspended. Awaiting state. Residual contacts unconfirmed.
Maintain separation.
Search coverage reduced. Proceed. Execute remaining schedule.
No visual. Continue vector.
Operational limits acknowledged.
Bingo fuel. Seeking deck.
Stand down to monitoring.
Search probability diminishing. Continue pattern. Sector sweep complete. Signal returns inconclusive. Overlapping scan indicates void. Continue grid search. Repeating transmission. Boiler 3 and 4 isolated. Steam pressure dropping. Maximum speed unavailable. Continuing turn at 18 knots.
Winch jammed at position 2. Ordnance rack 04 empty. Arming sequence slowed by resource mismatch. Repeating. Strength reduced.
Coordinate box 08 is void. Fuel steel states lower sector sentry map intercept dash max. Sweep 001, arcs blank. Radio traffic reduced to acknowledgements. Search coordinates yield no new data. Repeating, no new data.
Contact probability 0. Fleet's holding at current vectors. Maintain current disposition. Silence persists.
Maintain current disposition.
Revised estimates uploaded, confidence low. Launch limited by remaining fuel.
Coverage incomplete. Proceeding.
Maintain spacing. Visibility degraded.
Contact leading. Unable to commit. Abort strike. Reset cycle. Deck not in position. Recovery impossible.
Speed limited. Cannot comply.
Maintain search, no change.
Estimate propagated. Error margin expanding.
Final daylight launch authorized.
No verified contacts. Maintain separation. Sim force conditions worsening.
Abort. Target not present.
Recovery bearing uncertain. Fuel exhaust dusted. No deck in sight.
Unable to increase speed.
Hold position. Night conditions.
Night posture engaged. No transmissions. Fix unavailable. Estimate only.
Air operations suspended.
Fire contained. Status unchanged.
Search suspended until daylight.
D, maintain last known disposition.
Environmental data unavailable.
Sustain power only.
Stand by for dawn assessment. No contacts at first light.
Daylight conditions restored. Uncertainty persists. Morning launch minimal. Search resume, no contacts. Maintain heading. Visibility variable. Possible target committing elements. Attack run initiated.
Direct hits confirmed. Losing control.
Severe damage. Systems failing. Recovery is impossible. All units disengage. Reassess.
Task group status. Non-operational.
Secondary detonations ongoing. Obstacle tear. No recovery possible.
Hull integrity failed.
Surface clutter diminishing.
Maintain distance. Disengage.
Unable to assist.
Content loss.
No further directives. Engagement terminated. Post-engagement posture confirmed.
Unit removed. No survivors recoverable. Air operations concluded.
Surface clearing observed.
Sustain minimal propulsion!
Await further instruction.
C. Maintain separation.
No anomalies detected. Object lost.
Operational silence maintained.
Post-engagement geometry fixed.
Residual traces dispersing.
No further sorties planned.
Maintain reduced cruising speed.
Log entries complete.
Area clear.
Final contact lost.
No active units in sector.
Stand by. End state reached.
Tracks archived, no live data.
Surface conditions normalizing. Aviation assets secured. Damage status unchanged. Monitoring only. Negative on all channels.
To be lost.
Sector clear.
No change.
Aftermath phase sustained.
Historical tracks only.
Surface conditions stable.
No returns.
Weather normal. War tool. Sector empty.
No operational activity.
Negative.
Aftermath holds.
No change recorded.
State normalized.
No active operations.
Sea state steady.
State normalized. Visual field empty. No units present. Operational state unchanged. Meteorological only.
After action phase complete.
No change detected.
System at rest.
No operational signals.
Sea state unchanged.
All channels silent.
Visual field clear.
Environmental conditions nominal.
System inactive.
No change. End conditions sustained.